In this video, I will discuss about how to calculate effective viewing power and distance for low vision devices. This type of question is very common in optometry license exam as well as in optometry Gov exam. Here is the question. You prescribed a +20 diopter lens for a patient. If their baseline near vision is N20 at a standard distance of 25 cm, what is the smallest N size they should be able to read with this new lens? Here are the options. To solve this question, we will use effective viewing power formula, and the formula is
Preparing for Optometry government exam? Enroll our course Gov Job Preparation to get access to notes, mock tests, MCQs, previous year MCQs, videos and more.
EVP equals BCVA divided by TVA multiplied by 100 divided by WD in centimeter. Here EVP is effective viewing power, BCVA is best corrected visual acuity, TVA equals targeted visual acuity, and WD is working distance. That will be in centimeter. In the question, our effective viewing power is 20 diopter, best corrected visual acuity is N20, working distance is 25 centimeter, targeted visual acuity we have to identify. Now we have effective viewing power, we have best corrected visual acuity, we have working distance in centimeter. So if we put this value in the formula, then we will find the targeted visual acuity. So let's substitute the value and find the answer in the next slide. EVP, that is 20, equals best corrected visual acuity, that is 20, divided by targeted visual acuity multiplied by 100 divided by working distance, that is 25 centimeter. Now 20 equals 20 divided by targeted visual acuity multiplied by, if we divide 100 by 25, it will become 4. Now 20 equals, if we multiply 20 and 4, it will become 80 divided by targeted visual acuity. Now if we cross multiply, then it will become 20 multiplied by targeted visual acuity equals 80, or targeted visual acuity equals 80 divided by 20. Finally, targeted visual acuity will be, if we divide 80 by 20, it will become 4. That means the smallest N size the patient should be able to read is N4. Thus, option B is the correct answer. Now let's see another example. Here we discuss about how to calculate effective viewing power. Now let's see an example where we need to identify effective viewing power as well as effective viewing distance. Here is a question. A patient's near best corrected visual acuity is N10 at a working distance of 40 cm. To read N5 text comfortably, what effective viewing power and effective viewing distance is required? Here are the options. Now we already know that the formula to calculate effective viewing power is effective viewing power equals best corrected visual acuity divided by targeted visual acuity multiplied by 100 divided by working distance in centimeter. Now for this question, our best corrected visual acuity is N10, targeted visual acuity is N5, and working distance is 40 centimeter. Effective viewing power we have to identify. Effective viewing distance we also have to identify. This formula will give us effective viewing power in diopter. Now when we will get the effective viewing power, then we can easily identify the effective viewing distance, that is EVT.
Preparing for optometry license exam? Enroll our course MCQs in Optometry to get access to notes, MCQs, videos, previous year MCQs and more.
Equals 100 divided by EVP. So let's substitute the value in the formula and find the EVP, that is effective viewing power. Then we will substitute the value here to find the effective viewing distance. Now effective viewing power equals, our best corrected visual acuity is 10 and targeted visual acuity is 5 multiplied by 100 divided by working distance is 40. For effective viewing power equals, if we divide 10 by 5, it will become 2 multiplied by, if we divide 100 by 40, it will become 2.5. Finally, effective viewing power equals, if we multiply 2.5 and 2, it will become 5 diopters. That means the effective viewing power is 5 diopters. Now we can substitute the value in this formula to find out the effective viewing distance. So effective viewing distance equals 100 divided by effective viewing power, that is 5. Finally, effective viewing distance equals, if we divide 100 by 5, it will become 20 centimeter. That means if the patient best corrected near visual acuity is N10 and patient want to read N5 size letter, effective power required is 5 diopter and effective viewing distance will be 20 centimeter. That means the patient need to hold the target at 25 centimeter to read comfortably. Thus option B is the correct answer. The effective viewing power is 5 diopter and effective viewing distance is 20 centimeter. Now I have a practice question for you in the next slide. A patient's near best corrected visual acuity is N18 at a working distance of 40 centimeter. To read N6 text comfortably, what effective viewing power is required? Option A 2.5 diopters, option B 5.5 diopters, option C 7.5 diopters and option D 9.5 diopters. Apply the effective viewing power formula, that is best corrected visual acuity divided by targeted visual acuity multiplied by 100 divided by working distance in centimeter, and write your answer in the comment box.
If this calculation was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more optometry tutorials. Don't forget to check out our full courses on the app. See you in the next video.